Hey guys, this is Strength Coach Freeman. Welcome back for another episode of Strength and Conditioning for eSport Athletes. I'm a certified strength and conditioning specialist through the National Strength and Conditioning Association and a certified personal trainer through the American College of Sports Medicine. Today's video will be touching upon one of the 4 steps of an effective training session. The very first step, which is your soft tissue work. So remember, there's 4 steps involved in an ideal training session. The first step should be soft tissue work. Second step, movement preparation, which would be consistent of dynamic warm-ups. Third would be your overload segment, whether you're going to be doing some sort of gaming or some sort of strength and conditioning for your hands, or a combination of the two. And fourthly, lastly, but not least, you're going to be doing some static stretching for recovery. All 4 of these components are very important. They're almost somewhat reliant on each other. So if you want to have lasting results in each of the 4 steps, doing the other ones in that correct order will maximize the effectiveness. So if you skip those different segments, you're going to be wasting your time. So it's kind of a situation in which the sum of the parts is greater than the whole, right? So you can do each one individually, but doing them together is going to be that much more beneficial for you. So in today's video, I have a small little roller that I'm going to be showing you how to use in your hands just to help smooth out any tangled fascia or muscle fibers prior to a gaming session or doing some strength and conditioning. So I'll zoom in and show you how this guy works. Okay, so here's more of a close-up on this little roller. Small device. But good for working into some of the small parts of the hand. So use it just by gripping by the handle and then gently rolling onto the skin. It's very small, very light, and because it's tiny, you can kind of easily work through the palm. And you can gently roll into the fingers. Mainly try to go in between the joints, right? Like on the tissue. You usually don't want to work onto bone or onto joint with this. Get into the thumb. Go in between the thumb and the forefinger a little bit. Again, a very light tool. It's a light plastic. It's not going to really go too deep. Just more for working that surface layer of fascia, as opposed to the deeper layers of fascia. But because it's so light and unintrusive, you can kind of use it on other parts of the hand. They might not want to use other tools that are a little more intense. Alright, so pretty simple. And just one more way to work into the soft tissue. So very simple video. Thanks for checking out this tool. And please tune in for future videos. We got a lot more coming. I know we're still on soft tissue right now, but we'll move forward onto different types of dynamic warm-up stretches, then actual strengthening exercises, and then finally some static stretches for the recovery.